Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is from Alien Knives. I don't know exactly what the knife is going to look like, but I do remember having this conversation, so I'm excited to get in here and share this with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Probably help if I hold that card in view. What am I trying to say here? In focus, not in focus, but in the like the rectangle that you're. What is it? Why am I? It doesn't matter. We've made it into the box, so I've been saved from that horrible dialogue. Here we go. Yeah, I kind of thought I felt like I remember him saying it was a fixed blade. Yes, okay. Hang on, there's some info here. We have, oh, different scales. Okay, cool. So I imagine I could take these off and dye them if I wanted to. All right, we got a nice little skull bead there. You guys know I'm not a huge lanyard person. I mean, it makes a little more sense on a fixed blade. Yeah, okay, cool. Very cool. I've talked about my preference for size when it comes to, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, is that corrosion? No, that's an intentional finish. You guys remember a while back, the coffee knife that I unboxed was actually a similar finish, which is kind of cool because it makes me, the finish on it kind of makes it to where you don't really have to worry about using it. There we go. There's the information here. So, two tank. Not, I know people are going to read that as ATR 13 MO. That is not what this says. It says ADCRV2, which I got to admit, I'm not familiar with, but that is not ATR 13 MOV. I'll have to familiarize myself with this blade still. I've literally never heard of it. Micarta, born 6/12 of 2021, so that's pretty cool. Very cool. What do we have here? Yeah, take a look at those micarta scales. All right. Nice big heavy choil, right? This is my preferred size of fixed blade. Now, I don't know what these cost. You're going to want to check him out on, he just sent this to me. He said I want you to check it out, and I said no problem. So check him out at DavoWorks on Instagram, Alien Knives on Facebook, and you can check out the website www.alienknives.com for more information on this. Here's the scales here. Are they G10? Well, in any case, they're white, so I can dye them, right? Whatever they are. I'm actually not sure what material it is. It's the sheath. So, like, some of the sheaths that have the clip and you can clip them to your side, that's fine, but with a fixed blade, like if I'm going to EDC it, number one, it's going to be this size. Basically just enough room to get my hands on, right? Or to get a full four-finger grip, be able to choke up behind the blade, and then not be a gigantic thing. But I'm also going to want to, this is just me. I know fixed blade aficionados are going to be like, well, your preferences are stupid, and if you're a true tactical fixed blade aficionado, you want to carry like, that's fine. For me, I want to stick the whole thing in my pocket, just like I do a folding knife. Something like this, I can do that, just barely, because the clip width, or not the clip, but the Kydex sheath height or width, like whatever you want to call that, is about close to the width of my pocket. It's not quite the same. Like I can put it in the pants I'm wearing right now. But yeah, that's the style of EDC fixed blade that I like. So there you go. This is pretty cool. Again, I don't know availability or any information like that. You can expect a, because this isn't a review, remember this is just an unboxing and first impressions, right? But there is some information here. Oh, okay, that's just kind of the information card that it comes with. Oh, they glow. It says right here, glow scales. Okay, well, hang on a sec. We gotta try that. Hang on. I was just like, oh, they're white, neat. Okay, well, I can dye them, right? Let's turn the lights off here. Yeah, they absolutely do glow. Quite a bit. Cool. All right. I almost missed that. I'm glad that I looked at the back. I'm sure like it said that and people were already typing like, dude, there's glow scales on there and you didn't even notice. Well, there you go. I usually do miss stuff like that, so that worked out. Anyways, you'll get a more comprehensive video once I've had a chance to handle it and experience it and learn about it a little bit more. Give you guys more of a review. few weeks down the road. But for now, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Thank you very much to Alien Knives for sending that in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.